I'm recording now. Yes. The identity a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. We have to prove that. For that we taken a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube, we can write a plus b into a plus b into a plus b, right? Now a plus b you can take. What about these two terms? A plus b into a plus b. We can write a plus b whole square. So what is the formula of a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Clear? Now a plus b into a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now next step is a into a square plus 2ab plus b square plus b into a square plus 2ab plus b square. Can we write? We can write now. Why should come from you?
Yes, sir.
You should say yes, sir. I understood, sir. These points I can tell that you are listening. I can assume that you are listening. Now a of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now you can do that. A into a square, a cube, plus a into 2ab, 2a square b, plus a into b square, ab square. Yes, plus b into multiple, b into a square, b a square, plus b into 2ab, 2ab square, plus b into b square, b cube. Clear? Now a cube plus 2a square b, 2ab square. Again 2ab square, ba square. A square b we can write it, right? 2a square b plus a square b, 3a square b plus 2a square b plus ab square. Sorry, ab square. 2ab square plus ab square, 3ab square plus b cube. Finally, what we got it? A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Still you can write a cube plus b cube plus here you can write 3ab as a common. Between these two terms, you can separate 3ab as a common. From the first one, 3a square b. Already you taken 3ab common. Which letter is pending? A. Because 3ab into a, 3a square b plus in this which letter will come? 3ab already is there, 3ab square is there. 3ab into b, 3ab square. So finally, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is the final answer. Got the point? Clear? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
I'm giving the similar example to you. A plus b whole cube we decided. Now can we find out what is a minus b whole cube? A minus b whole cube. Stepwise, can you say me? We need to prove that a minus b whole cube. What we will get, we will find out. First step, what we can do? A minus b whole cube. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yes. What is a minus b whole cube? How you can write it?
A minus b bracket of bracket a minus b
Okay.
of bracket a minus b.
Next step. Next step. Can you tell
Sir,
me?
a minus b
Hmm.
whole square
Into a minus b whole
minus b
square.
whole square.
Next.
A minus b a square
Yes.
minus 2ab
Okay.
plus b square.
Very nice. Then
Then a bracket a into
yes,
a square
minus 2ab
minus
plus b
2ab
square
plus b square
minus b
minus b
into,
into a
very
square
good,
minus 2ab plus b square.
excellent. Then now
Um, a cube
okay,
uh, plus 2a square b
Plus it won't come plus, minus will come, minus 2a square b plus ab square minus ba square plus 2, because minus into minus, plus 2ab square plus, sorry, minus, because minus into plus, minus b cube. Now a cube minus 2a square b plus ab square minus a square b plus 2ab square minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube, a square b minus a square b. So minus 3a square b plus 2a square b plus ab square plus 3ab square. Now a cube minus b cube minus 3ab we can take common. This is b minus, 3a minus b will come, because minus of minus plus 3ab into b, 3ab square. So a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b will come. That's right. That is the final
Yes.
answer. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Next. Yes, that is there here in example 2. In example 2, the same thing they proved.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Next.
sir.
These examples we can do it now. Fine. 2x
Yes,
plus 3y whole cube. 2x plus 3y whole cube. It looks like a plus b whole cube, right? So
Yes, sir.
a plus b whole cube, what is the formula? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now 2x plus 3y whole cube, which is 2x whole cube plus 3y whole cube plus 3 into 2x into 3y of 2x plus 3y. So 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 18xy on 2x plus 3y will come. Yes, na?
Yes.
I guess here plus or minus, let me see. 2x plus 3y, right? Absolutely. Yes, let it be. Now 8x cube plus 27y cube plus here 36x square y plus 18 into 3, 54 xy square. This will come.
Yes.
All right. So this is the way we have to solve it. Can you do it your own? The same question.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Please write it down. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus 3ab square. While using this method only, you should solve it. Next question is,
So once try manola.
you try it. 1 by 3x minus 2 by 5y whole cube. 1 by 3x minus 2 by 5y whole cube.
Yes, sir.
So a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
1 by 27x cube
Okay.
minus 8 by 125y cube
Very good.
minus 2 by 15 x square y
Very nice.
plus 4 by 25 x y square.
Excellent. This is the way. This is the way I'm expecting output. Now, one more kind of example we will discuss.
So 1 minute, I will
Yes.
So 1 minute will come.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Now, they given the question 4x plus 2y whole cube plus 4x minus 2y whole cube. Clearly, we are understanding the first parameters a plus b whole cube. Yes. The second
Yes,
one
sir.
is a minus b whole cube.
Whole cube.
Between that plus. What we can do, the first step, we should do 4x plus 2y whole cube, a plus b whole cube, which means a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b means minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Once we can simplify it, whatever we are getting, that is the final answer for this. As well as here, a plus b whole cube minus a minus b whole cube. The same, but center is minus. Can you try?
Yes, sir.
There are some questions for your homework. First one, 4x plus 2y whole cube minus,
I'll do it. So I'll do it now only.
no, write down. This question you can do it now. Some homeworks questions I'm giving, selected questions, that's the reason. 4x plus 2y whole cube minus 4x minus 2y whole cube. Next, these second question you write it down. X by 2 plus y by 3 whole cube minus x by 2 minus y by 3 whole cube.
So second means second one.
Yes, second one. Third one, fourth one.